I messed it up. Yeah, man. This light bulb, I messed it up. Because yesterday morning I was turning off the light. Guess what I did? Yo, I was pressing it, right? And then it can't turn off. And I called my little brother and shit. My little brother finished it off. He snapped that shit. That shit. It make noise. It was like, you know, the electricity. It's like, and then I gotta take a chair, climb, and then screw that shit off. Yep, I'm not lying. It burned. It burned it. Like you see, it kind of burned. Where is it? Let's see. This is the piece. Oh man, that's crazy. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy God. Back with another vlog. Already know. Today I got work. I'm about to shower. Shit. And they text me this morning, like the manager. It was like, there's a snowstorm there's a snowstorm coming. Or if I wanna sleep inside the hospital, let them know. So they're gonna give me somewhere to sleep. Ugh, yeah, right. Oh my God. Why did I pick that schedule? I didn't even know if it was snowstorm that day, so I pick it. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and please watch my video. Come on, I woke up this morning, like I still got 50 views, and I have 1,000 people watching me. Like, come on. And then this video, the video that I posted last time with the chicken nugget, I think, got 50 views. So come on, watch my stuff. Don't play with me, okay? Stop playing with me. I'm doing it for you. I'm shower right now. I got Fashion Nova jeans on, you know the vibe. And I was about to do military, right? And they want me to cut my hair. I ain't cutting my hair. I am my own military. I'm a military with the braids, nigga. You see that? See the boots? Don't worry about this shit, cause you see what Bridge did to my shit? I gotta buy a new one. By accident, the bleach fall and the cap fall off and then break, and then it splash on my shoes. It was even worse. Oh no. I get Baba to turn back again. You see my jeans? You like my jeans? This is a panther or lion. If I'm mistaken. This is a jaguar. This is a zipper. Shit, I can't believe it. Yes, sir, ski. Look what my sister did to me. She's a special, man. She's special. Thanks God my mom make her to be a second child. Hey, thank you, sister. Hey, see, my sister did it. She did it good. I didn't pay though. But I might give her food. No vibe. Yeah, man. Blue like my scrub. My work scrub. I'm gonna go now. Just buy a Rolex. You wanna see it? Rolex. You can charge it. Sometimes you need to charge it. You see? It's a Rolex. Big Rolex. I'm flexing on you. Beep. Stop being petty. Open up. Come on. You see? Uh-oh. That's a soap. Okay. See? I can't do this. Tuesday 15. Mommy call. I can't do this. Exercise. I used to exercise. Now become a fat because Corona. Spotify. Agenda. Relax. Fuck. I have to go back to school. Timer. Alarm. Over. Winter. I can't even speak. What the fuck? Setting. Uh-oh. Can't even go more. That's it. You see the step right there. Why he be jumping? 209, 122. Oh, 93. My heartbeat. I think he in love. Resting 62 62 BPM. That's a lie. I was sleeping all day. I was not working for 1 mile. Yeah, fucking lie. Maybe yesterday. I don't know. Man, not today. I was sleeping all day. 1,879 calories. Really? In the bed? I was sleeping all day? I burned all that calorie? You such a lie. Oh. Step 4. That's a lie. I was in the tub. The fuck? No sleep, no score, no data. Oh no score, no data. You said I didn't drink water? That's a cap. I drank too much water today. Yeah, lying ass. Yeah, man. This is my Rolex. Red interior and red exterior. Yep. This is Armani. That's all I use. Smell good. It's Armani code. Don't take my trip. I can show it to you. I don't want to have a copyright anyway. I should making sound. Make my own sound again. What the hell? Gotta spray it through your whole head. Whew. Ah, Jesus Christ. I hope I don't sneeze. Yep, you gotta smell good. When you smell your, oh, your hair smell good. What did you put? They told me I smell good. You know what I said? Always. I ain't gonna say thank you because I know I did it. You know, shit. Fries and chicken. How many pieces? 6. Whip to the chicken. With blue cheese on with ketchup. Thank you so much. Take care. Oh yeah. Oof. I got my naked juice on. Chicken can fly no more. You about to eat yum yum yum. You can breathe no more. You can fly no more. The bus. So. Shit is spicy. Oh my god. I don't like spicy food, yo. You want some? You want some? Nope. That's mine. You can get some. Sorry, you want another bite? Nope. That's mine. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Red chicken? Nope. That's mine. Chicken tastes good. Chicken can fly no more. Chicken can fly no more. What happened to you? Why are you sleeping? I'm about to drink you right now. Pause. Anyway, I'm about to drink you right now. Yum yum yum. Drink, drink, drink. Take my son away. All my family's got to be gone. This chicken is the best. Let's turn off the light. Light turn off. You can't even see me no more. It's dark. Day 2 work. The storm is here. It's snowing. I didn't buy nothing to eat. I was full. So going home straight. I woke up this morning, like, I was full. Like, that's crazy. But anyway, that's the part of the second day too, so I can show you the snow. If you, there's a storm. Remember I spoke about it. That's why they sent me the email. So that's the part too, so I can let you know I was not lying. Yeah. So that's the verification. Anyway, guys, before I go, please watch my video, please, because I got 1,000 people on subscribe. Only 10 people watching my shit. Like, come on, you should do better than that, man. What's wrong with y'all? That's crazy. What time is it now? Right now it's 5:51. Hey, the snow just started. The storm just started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. I'm begging you. Like, watch my video, man. This shit got me stressed on that YouTube shit.